Happy Vlogmas Day 14! Today's tea is peppermint and licorice, a sweet, a deliciously refreshing thrill. Exciting! I like peppermint and licorice, so this should be pretty good for me. Adam and Aurora turned up in my backyard in the summer of 2017. 2 days before, another kitten had shown up that my roommates at the time adopted, and these two were supposed to just be fosters. I was like, I can't replace my girls. I don't want them to think I'm trading them in for the next new thing. But as I mentioned in some of the other videos, then Kaylee and Sierra started giving them baths, and that was it. I had already fallen in love with the kittens, and my cats loving them just made it so there was no chance I was getting rid of them. But these two came pretty tiny, as you saw. We thought Adam was the runt because he was smaller. But since then we have learned that Aurora is definitely the runt. She's got some birth defects and he is huge compared to her. And the baby's giving kisses. No, brother, sister love. Oh, aren't you guys so cute? And Kaylee's just taking a nap. Oh, look, your tails are all cute together. Well, Kaylee up. Hi, Kaylee. As you can tell, these two are super loving. Aurora loves kisses from any other cat. She frequently will run full blast into a cat and flop over at their feet to get kisses. This especially confused Frick and Frack while they were around, because they didn't like her and like, why is she here at my feet? Obviously Adam indulges her in kisses a lot. She and Adam give each other kisses. She and everybody pretty much gives each other kisses, and she's so stinking cute. She always likes to be in the way of things when I'm doing things though. Look, kids. It's okay. Keep kissing your sisters. No. Adam's a pretty big snuggler, like in the middle of the day. He'll jump up and snuggle on my lap at the desk sometimes, but he really likes to snuggle if I lay down for a nap. Sometimes he snuggles during the middle of the night, but not as much as if I were taking a nap. He loves naps, and man, if I'm in the right headspace and whatever, and I try to get up, but he's there, he's like a you can't wake up drug, just keeping me asleep, which can be helpful sometimes and can be terribly unhelpful at others, but that's okay. I still love my baby boy. He's so very cute, and obviously I like tuxedo cats. And he gives me face kisses all the time, and takes care of his mommy. He knows when I've got a migraine, and he'll give me forehead kisses. Aurora loves helping with presents. Most especially, she loves chewing on the wrapped presents and ripping them open. So, like I said, super helpful whenever I do anything. They'll both usually be pretty nearby when I'm doing workouts, and check up on me, get snuggles when I'm doing yoga or doing something else close to the ground. It's adorable. There they are eating next to Ravi when she was tiny. And then Garfield. Adam's liking having another guy in the house, I think. He missed him a lot every time he escaped. Aurora's quite the little acrobat. Such a goofy girl. So tiny. And so beautiful. They're just so stinking cute. All my kitties are so stinking cute. It's kind of not fair. I'm so lucky. She and Ravi love each other. They love spending time together. And whenever Aurora gets tired of playing, then Adam's still got the energy to play, which is great for all of them. And they love Garfield. Aurora especially has started to love Garfield recently and has been snuggling with him more and more and giving him more and more kisses, and it is just too cute.